Hello guys, i-flex ko lang po yung aking biniling bag from Tiki Maxx. Is made by Bessie London. Ayan po siya guys. So, ito po yung binili ko para po sa present ng nagbabantay dito kay Alaga, si Tanda. Dahil I felt sorry for her. Guys, dahil ang kanyang bag dinadala dito ay shopping bag, so I decided to buy her present for Christmas. Ito po yung bag. Ayan, may pocket po siya, and then malaki po siya, kamarami na po siya mailalagay dyan, and then they have a dust bag, and also they have a sling belt dito, kung gusto niya pong isi-sling yan, and then shoulder bag. At they have a pocket here, big pocket. She can put her important documents dyan, or phone, kung ano-ano pa yung anik-anik na pwede niyang ilagay. And then also, they have pocket here, and other side, may pocket din dito. So, pwede niya dito mailagay yung kanyang pocketbook, because she love reading, so it's best for her to use this. Ideal talaga to para sa kanya guys. So ayan lang ang maifi-flex ko. Ayan, maganda siya diba guys? Maganda yung bag. Ayan. So malaki na din yung book, pwede niya mailagay dito. She can put her pack lunch as well here. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys.